6090 Unpacking Guide. Open the box. Prepare unpacking tools. Hammer, wrench, drill. Check whether the outer packaging is complete or has any bumps. Open the box hinges and remove the packaging cover. Remove the machine fixing wooden strips. Remove the wooden box after taking out the accessories. Remove the fixing screws at the bottom of the machine. Lift the machine out of the wooden box. Remove protective film. Use a screwdriver to remove the carriage fixing bracket. Make sure the left and right sides of the carriage are normal. Remove platform fixing tape. Confirm that the machine has a complete appearance and complete accessories. Power-ups. Turn on the machine and turn on the main switch. Turn on the emergency stop switch. Tap the control panel function to ensure normal operation. Turn on the UV lamp and air suction platform switches. Plug the network cable into the machine and connect to the computer. Computer IP settings. Open network connection, Ethernet, right-click Properties. Protocol version 4, enter the value based on the video. Installing software drivers. Open the USB flash drive, find the installation package and open it. Click Next to install. Installing the driver environment. Add inks. Ink filling position behind the machine. Shake the ink evenly and pour it into the ink bottle that matches the color. System loading ink. Click Load ink in the software for 30 seconds. And then stop. Wait 5 seconds. Click Load ink for 5 seconds. Stop and save. Press the button left lightly to check whether there is ink in the ink pad. Please press the button Clean and wait for the cleaning to be completed. Print. Check the nozzle. Place a piece of clean white paper flat and secure it. Adjust the height between the nozzle and the object by 2 mm. And return it to the correct position. Click the front button nozzle. The white paper will print detection lines. It is normal for less than 10 lines to be missing. Print wireframe. Adjust the height of the platform to 2 mm. And click the Return button. Import the position line file. Rotate and modify its position. Spot color white and glass none. Wireframes begin to print. Check whether the wireframes print properly. Print the color flag. Place a piece of clean white paper flat and secure it around. Adjust the height between the nozzle and the object by 2 mm. And click the Return button. Import the color flag file. Set in size W100 mm H automatic. Spot, white all, gloss, non-print. Spot, white all, gloss, all print. Color block begins to print. Check whether the color block prints properly.